and welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, and today's video is on how to look sexy in a subtle way. So I will be showing you the before and after of a few all-white outfits to show you that you can still be sexy while adding more coverage. So, if you're interested, keep on watching. This first outfit is more of a club look. My arms, legs and stomach are all showing. This looks sexy, no doubt, but I'm going to show you how you can take this outfit from overexposed to classy and sexy. By pairing a tight long-sleeve shirt with a mini skirt, you can still show your curves while staying covered. Now, only my legs are showing, but I still look sexy and feminine. This next outfit looks more classy than the last because the skirt is longer, limiting the amount of leg showing. However, my arms and stomach are still showing. With a longer midi skirt, the small tube top may throw off the look. By wearing a long spaghetti strap tank top, I am covering my stomach while still showing my chest and my arms. This is a subtle way to look more classy while wearing a longer skirt. This outfit is sexy because it is covering but still has a see-through element to it. It's easy to look trashy with see-through tops, even if only your legs are showing. By covering as much of your body as possible, the see-through top stands out. This way, you stay mysterious but still sexy. Okay, for this last outfit I want to show you the power of the right shoe. This outfit is super cute. The shoes are great as well. However, if you want to look classy and sexy, as well as making your legs look longer, it's best to wear heels that don't cut your leg off at the ankle. Opting for pumps adds class to any outfit. Those are all of my outfit examples on how to look more sexy by covering up. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please tap that like button and subscribe with the notification bell. See you next time.